What's up, folks? Honey's Morning Update, April 25th, Groundhog Day again. We are still here in the range, moving aggressively sideways. We did see a dip down to 30. So you've had a 37, a 35, a 33, and a 30. So each, we're kind of lagging down a little bit, but nothing is triggering any stops or a movement or a whoosh or anything. 20, 17, 20 still downside, and then 4100, 95, 4100. Then below that, 40, 70, and 40, 40. Upside, 55, 50 is going to be your over under. Has been for a while. Then you get into the 70, 80 area, and then we get into the 4200. I don't know right now. It doesn't look like anything's going to happen until Wednesday, Thursday. I think later this week, is when we start to see some shit happen. We've got debt ceiling and big tech earnings and all kinds of stuff coming in. Pivot-wise, keep an eye on these. Your pivots, 4151, which is perfect. 4070, I love that. 82, 4200. 4121 and 4108. These have been really sticking recently, last few days. So I don't know if it's just because low volume and, I'm not sure, but they've been very accurate. So keep that in mind, at least for today until we start to really whip around, I think, later this week. I could be wrong on that, but I think that the being dormant, my assumption is that everybody's got stuff on above and below waiting for something to happen, and nothing has happened, and we're just kind of it's just kind of at a stalemate right now. At some point this will move, and this will, someone's going to be offside and someone's going to be right, but as of now we're just holding steady. 4155 is still your 2-year POC, holding steady, and we're right there. So again, sideways. Here's your weekly. 4155 is your 50 retrace from here to here. So nothing much has changed since yesterday. As I said, it's Groundhog Day. Upside cash gap, 4154 to 48 to 54, check. 99 to 92, check. Still there. This is daily. Anyway, Groundhog Day. And Euro down, 200 ticks. Now, if this was a little cup and handle, it rejected. We'll see. Trend line's still there. Until we break this, this is still in the upward position. Dollar would be in a bearish position. I'd expect it to change at some point, but I just don't know when. Today, home price index at 9, new home sales at 10, consumer confidence. I don't think we may see a little bit of a move today. Wednesday, I'm not sure if any of this is going to move it, but I am showing on the cycles chart that we will move. GDP is going to be a big one on Thursday, and then PCEs on Friday. So Wednesday's the start of the thick of shit. And again, we have earnings and debt ceiling and everything else that's looming, geopolitical risks. So I don't know. I really don't. This market's just, as of right now, it's just dead. VIX is dead. Premiums suck. So be very careful on what you take. And if you see that profit, make sure you take it. And anyway, I'll be in the room.